Congratulations and welcome to CROWD1. Like in most network marketing companies, sponsoring is one of the most vital part of your business if you are here to grow massive and passive income. In this video, I will guide you on how you can create your invitation link which leads your prospect to your page for them to sign up. Log into your account through CROWD1 app or website at www.crowd1.com. In your landing page, scroll down and click Invite People button under your sponsor link. Now, create your new invite link. First, type in your prospect's name, then a short message, and tick the placement in your organization, either left or right leg. With this process, you have to be careful on the placement. If you want to be specific on which placement you would like your prospect to enroll, tick Place under another associate. Specify the username in which your prospect will be linked to and choose whether you put him under his left or right leg. Click Create Invite Link. The link generated and is shown under. If mistakenly put in the wrong leg, you can repeat the process by just creating new invite link. Click the copy link and send it to your prospect. The status of your prospect's enrollment is shown on the right side. It will indicate member if it is successful enrollment.